In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through the Squarespace dashboard, specifically to make edits to your website. Whether you're a small business owner fine-tuning your online presence, or a creative individual showcasing your portfolio, understanding how to efficiently manage your site updates is crucial. Let's start by logging into your Squarespace dashboard. Now, this is your command center for website management, where all your site-building operations are conducted. It's set up to be intuitive, but if you're new to it, I'll walk you through the steps. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. It'll prominently display your website names, giving you a quick snapshot of your Squarespace projects. Go ahead and click on the website you wish to edit. Now that you've selected the specific site you want to work on, direct your attention to the left panel of the dashboard. Here, several options will unfold, providing different areas where you can tweak and refine your site. You'll want to click on Website, which will further open a submenu. In this menu, you'll find various administrative and design features. For this session, click on Pages. This brings you to the backbone of your site's navigation structure. Each listed page represents a piece of your website, like home pages, blogs, or contact forms. Now, let's select a section you're interested in modifying. You may be adding new content to your blog or refining the design of your homepage. Whatever it is, hover over that particular section, and you'll notice an Edit button appearing. Clicking Edit allows you to make the necessary changes. Whether you're adjusting text, uploading images, or repositioning elements, this is your workshop. Take your time to ensure that your updates match your vision for the site. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's crucial to remember to click Save. You'll find the Save button on the top left corner. Clicking this ensures that all your hard work isn't lost, but instead beautifully integrated into the live version of your website. This is a crucial step as it seals all the changes into place and publishes them for your audience to see. That wraps up our walkthrough today on making edits to your Squarespace website. By following these steps, you're leveraging a powerful platform to maintain and evolve your online presence. Keep experimenting and tuning in to create a site that truly reflects your style and ambition. Thanks for watching and happy site building.